Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for your home crocheting decor. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet table runners. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crochet. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crocheting a table runner offers several benefits, both practical and personal. Here are some benefits of creating a crochet table runner and using it also. The first and the main one is personalized home decor. Crochet allows you to customize the design, color, and size of the table runner to match your home's aesthetic. Handmade touch. A crochet table runner adds a handmade, heartfelt touch to your dining or coffee table, making it feel more special. Stress relief. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be relaxing and meditative, reducing stress and anxiety. Creativity boost. Crochet allows you to express your creativity as you can experiment with different stitches, patterns, and colors. Improves dexterity. The act of crocheting helps enhance fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Cost effective. Making your own table runner can be more affordable than purchasing a high-quality handmade one. Durability. Crochet items are often sturdy and long-lasting, meaning your table runner will stand up to regular use. Sustainable. Creating your own item from natural fibers like cotton or linen can be more eco-friendly than buying mass-produced products. Gifts. A craft table runner makes a thoughtful and personalized gift for wedding, housewarming, or holidays. Skill development. Crocheting a table runner provides an opportunity to develop and master new crochet techniques. Home customization. A handmade crochet table runners allows you to reflect your personal style, whether it's rustic, modern, vintage, or boho. Therapeutic activity. Crocheting is known to be a therapeutic activity, providing a sense of accomplishment and improving mental well-being. Functional. Beyond decoration, and crochet table runner can protect your table from scratches, spills, and stains. Helps with focus. Crochet requires concentrations which can improve your ability to focus and stay present. Can be made in different styles, from delicate lace to hold geometric patterns. Crochet table runner come in a variety of styles to suit different tastes. Affordable craft. The supplies needed for crochet such as yarn and hook are relatively inexpensive, especially compared to other crafting materials. Customization of occasions. You can repurpose leftover yarn from other projects to create a new table runner, making it a great way to reduce waste. You can create seasonal table runner for holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, or Easter, adding a festive touch to your table. Increase patience. Crocheting a project like a table runner requires patience, which can help improve the skill over time. Great for beginners. A crochet table runner is a perfect project for beginners, offering a manageable challenge while learning new skills. Enhances motor control. Regular crocheting helps enhance both hand and wrist motor control, especially for those who crochet frequently. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.